Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back. My name is Ariel and today is day 23 of my 25 days of Christmas playlist, and this isn't really like a Christmassy video, but I did go shopping at the Habitat Restore recently and I wanted to take you guys along with me on that trip. I'm not going to do any talking throughout the video, but I did want to just briefly introduce myself and my channel. So I really like budget-friendly decor, and I really like thrift shopping, and I like to share my DIY projects. On this channel I do mostly Dollar Tree DIYs. I also do little DIY projects around the house, and I do thrift flips and hauls. So if you guys like that sort of content, I hope you guys will subscribe to my channel and continue to come back for more videos. Okay, I said I wasn't going to do much talking, but these chairs, you guys, I think they were like $10 each or something. And if these chairs are still there next time, I'm getting those wooden folding chairs. And this desk, how many of you guys sat at a desk just like this when you guys were in school? Back when I was in school, I don't know what the kids sit in these days, but when I was in school, we still kind of sat in a desk somewhat like this one. So guys, for my bedroom, I really want a full-length mirror. I want one of those ornate gold mirrors with like all of the scrolly details on them, and they are so expensive, so I'm probably gonna end up DIYing one. So that's why I was really had my eye on these tall mirrors here. And if you guys aren't following me on TikTok, I am posting that entire journey of my bedroom makeover. It is an extreme makeover. So if you guys want to see that process from start to finish, follow me over on TikTok. They had so many like older school desks. I do not know what school got cleared out, but there were so many of these throughout the store that day. I'm so obsessed with brass these days, so I have my eye out every thrift store that I go to for something brass. These candlesticks mounted to the wall, so that's why I didn't get those. But I'm really on the lookout for some brass bookends right now. Let me know in the comments if there's something in particular that you guys are collecting or looking for that you're on the hunt for currently at thrift stores. I thought these shutters were a really nice little find for us DIY folks for $5 each. They make a nice base for a sign, or I've also seen people put them together, hang shutters and windows, and hang wreaths from them, and I thought that was a nice price. And if you guys have a restore near you and you are like me and you enjoy DIY projects, you definitely need to check out their tool section. I actually ended up going home with this scroll saw for just $50, and I have gotten quite a few good tools from here. I got a sander for $15 from here once, and it works amazing still. And I got a saw most recently from here, a hand saw, like a little handheld battery powered battery powered circular saw for about $5 from there once as well too. So if you have a restore near you, definitely go there and check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please leave me a like. And if you guys enjoy DIY projects and home decor and budget-friendly videos with thrift shopping and thrift flips, then please consider subscribing. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day and a great Christmas holiday.